Namaskar and good evening. Today we'll talk about another successful company, Alembic Pharmaceuticals Ltd, which has declared reasonably good results for Q4. First, let us take a look at the results. Net sales are 1,207 crores in Q4 of this year compared to 1,209 crores in Q3 previous quarter and 927 crores in Q4 of last year, which means there is a surge of 30.19% year on year, but a slight reduction of 0.19% quarter on quarter. Consumption of raw materials has seen an increase of 32% to 274 crores. And quarter on quarter increase is 17% and year on year increase is 32%. Consumption of raw materials. So, expenditures are also increasing. Employee cost also likewise has increased to 247 crores compared to 227 crores in the previous quarter and just 201 crores in the Q4 of last year. So, which means there is an increase of 23% in the employee cost also year on year and 9% quarter on quarter. Other expenses have increased to 369 crores in Q4 of this year compared to 359 crores in Q3 of Q3 and 331 crores in Q4 of last year, which means there is a increase of 11.18% year on year and 2.73% increase in quarter on quarter. So, consumption of raw materials 32%, employee cost 23%, other expenses 11%, all have increased, but net sales have increased 30%. Now, exceptional items, there is an exceptional item minus 10.86 crores. So, taking that into account, the profit before tax has come down to 266 crores. Compared to 276 crores in the previous quarter and 146 crores in Q4 of last year. So, there is an increase of 81.49% in profit before tax year on year, but a reduction of profit before tax of minus 3.84% quarter on quarter. Taxes also increased, 62 crores in Q4 this year, 49 crores in Q3, and 15 crores in Q4 of last year. That means tax has increased by 317% year on year and 28% quarter on quarter. Overall, net profit has increased to 204 crores in current year Q4 compared to 227 crores in Q3, that is previous quarter, and 124 crores in Q4 of last year. So, there is an increase of 65% in the net profit year on year and 27, so there a slight reduction of minus 10.36% quarter on quarter. Look at that. Net sales have increased by 30.19%, net profit has increased by 64.7% year on year, and quarter on quarter net sales have gone down by minus 0.19%, very slight. Likewise, net profit has gone down by minus 10.36%. Equity is static at 37.7%. Basic EPS is around 11.93 compared to 12.42 in the previous quarter and 6.5258 rupees. But this is against a 2 rupees face value. So, there is a 81% increase in basic EPS year on year and a reduction of 4% quarter on quarter. Now, the latest price is around 819 rupees. Volumes are quite good, 47 lakhs, something like that. So, buying and selling is not a problem. Price earning is around 17 rupees. Price earning is around 17. I am taking into account the latest EPS into 4 etc. for making it annual. So, on that basis, the latest price earning is 17. So 52-week low is 35 rupees, 52-week high is 839 rupees, current price is 819. So current price is somewhere very near to the 52-week high. That's because of the good results. Shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters are holding 72.97%, which is very, very good. There is no pledge at all. FIAs hold about 9.55%. Total DIA holding is about 7.77%. So very healthy shareholding pattern. Technical rating, if you look at that, is very bullish. Moving average is bullish. Technical indicators are also bullish. Market cap is around 14,314 crores. Price earning, that is if you take previous year, 18.79. Book value 143.88. Dividend is 275%. Industry price earning is 36.31. So compared to industry price earning, the price earning of Alembic Pharma is low, indicating that there is scope for increase. EPS trailing 12 months in EPS is 40.46. Now around 12. Quarterly EPS is quite good. Dividend yield is low at 0.72%. Face value is 2 rupees. Deliverables are around 41. Now, so what are the other things? Let us see what the management says. It was the managing director Pranav Amin said it was a remarkable year for the company where we recorded our highest revenue and profit ever. This was led by strong growth in US generics business. During the fourth quarter, we saw our India and rest of the world business also getting back to a robust growth. So, Q4 also was quite good for Alembic Pharmaceuticals, especially the US generics business. International formulations grew 80% to 710 crores year on year in the quarter and 39% to 2,473 crores for FY20. US generics business has increased to 84% to 577 crores for the quarter and 53% to 1,976 crores for FY20. Indian formulations business has grown by 13% for the quarter to 342 crores and 3% to 1,425 crores for the year. Alembic Pharmaceuticals has received approval from US health regulator FDA to market Alcaftadine ophthalmic solution in the American market. It's an ophthalmic solution. The estimated market size is around $7 million for 12 months ended December 2019. Now, it has also received an EIR, Establishment Inspection Report from the USFDA, who has inspected the Karakhadi unit from January 13th to 17th. So, overall what we find is Alembic Pharmaceuticals has performed well and is on road to prosperity. The current price is not low. Current price earning is not low, but not very high, especially if you look at the industry price earning, which is around 37 something like that, whereas the price earning of Alembic Pharmacy is much lower, around 16, 17 something like that. Therefore, you can keep it on your radar. It's on a good wicket, and of course COVID can have some problems in the coming months also, or it may actually aid Alembic Pharmaceuticals. So keep it on your radar. It's a good company. Thank you for listening. I will come back to you with another good company. Thank you.